Since 2010, TTT Jewelry has been trusted by global clients in manufacturing and supplying natural stone jewelry. From concept to completion, we transform your creative ideas into trendy and durable pieces all under one roof. As part of our drive for consistent and high-quality custom handmade jewelry, we go to great lengths to qualify the materials. Take a look behind the veil of natural stone processing. Each piece of natural stone is carefully selected by professional cutters, using their experience and precision tools to assess the highest quality. After the initial assessment, the cutting master will clean and roughly trim the natural stones based on the requirements of the customers by using precision cutting tools. With the help of a hoop machine, the trimmed natural stones are now reshaped to fit and create a more defined style that is closer to what the client demands. Facets, distinguishing lines that bring out the beauty of the natural stones, are made through the use of an angling machine, setting them apart from regular beads. After processing and cutting, the faceted natural stones will go through a final wash to enhance their brilliance. A high-shine finish that is smooth to the touch and comfortable for daily wear makes them more appealing when used in handcrafted jewelry. The processed stones are inspected by the quality control team, checking for any defects or imperfections. Maximum sparkle in every natural jewelry stone piece is reserved before delivery. Inferior pieces are not allowed to be used in jewelry hand settings. That is why clients remained loyal to TTT Natural Stone Jewelry.